Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the topic human bones. Okay. So the human skeleton is the internal framework of the body. Means internal framework of the body is human skeleton. Okay. It is composed of 300 bones at birth. Means when there is a newborn child, then there is 300 bones in the body, which decrease 206 bone by adulthood after some bone have fused with each other. Means at the time of birth there is 300 bones in the body, but these bones decrease 206 by adulthood. Okay. Here are given some interesting fact about the human bones. Okay. So we will study about some interesting facts about the human bones. Okay. So look at the first picture. Your ribs work hard. Okay. Your rib cage expand and contract up to 10 million times each year every time you breathe. It means rib cage means that outermost part of our chest. Okay. Means that expand and contract whenever we breathe. मीन्स हम जब सांस लेते हैं तो जो हमारा रिबकेज है, मतलब जो चेस्ट है, वो क्या होती है, एक्सपैंड हो जाती है, और जब सांस को हम छोड़ते हैं तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. तो हाउ मेनी टाइम इट्स एक्सपैंड एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? रिबकेज एक्सपैंड एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अप टू 10 million टाइम each every year you breathe. Okay. Then your bones are light. Bones are light. The bones of an adult comprises a relatively smaller proportion of her total weight. Okay. मीन्स बोन है अडल्ट की, वो क्या रखती है, स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ टोटल हिज हर वेट. लाइक इन मैन इट इज 15% and in women it is 12%. Okay. So bones are light. The bone of an adult comprise small proportion of his total weight. In men it is 15 and women it is 12. Then next, you have strong legs. The femur, thigh bone, this is thigh. Okay. So the bone in this thigh, that is called femur bone. So the femur bone is the longest, strongest and heaviest bone in your body. Femur is the longest, strongest and heaviest bone in the body. Its length is 26% of your overall height. Okay. मीन्स लेंथ है जो इसकी वो 26% होती है, जितनी की हमारी हाइट है उसकी 26%. ओके. सो द फीमर, दैट इज थाई बोन, दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एंड हैवीएस्ट बोन इन योर बॉडी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, you lose bones as you grow up. Okay. Each human is born with 350 bone in his or her body. At the time of birth there is 300 or 350 bone in newborn baby body. By the time we reach adulthood that number is only 206. Okay. Many bones fuse during development. बहुत सारे बोन है वो क्या है, फ्यूज हो जाती है डेवलपमेंट के साथ. ओके. देन हैंड्स एंड फीट आर योर बोनिएस्ट पार्ट. हैंड एंड फीट आर योर बोनिएस्ट पार्ट. मोर देन हाफ ऑफ योर बोन्स आर इन योर हैंड. मीन्स जितनी भी जो बोन होती है उसमें से हाफ जो क्या है, हाथ में होती है, इन हैंड एंड फीट. 27 in each hand and 26 in each foot. Okay. हाथ में, इन हैंड में there is 27 bone and in foot there is 26 bones. Okay, so hand and feet are your boniest part. Boniest part means जिसमें कि सबसे ज़्यादा bones होती है, that is our hands and feet. So the next is your neck is like a giraffe. Okay, so you can see the picture of giraffe. Human bones have the same number of cervical vertebrae as a giraffe, 7. Okay, it means human have the same number of, means जो हमारी बैक के पीछे, मीन्स नेक के पीछे जो ये सर्वाइकल वर्टेब्रे होती है ना, वो उसमें 7 नंबर होते हैं. तो दैट इज सेम एज द जिराफ हैविंग इन द नेक. ओके, सो आवर नेक इज लाइक ए जिराफ. नेक्स्ट, your bone make blood. Bones make blood. Bone marrow produce about 2.4 million erythrocytes, red blood cells जिन्हें बोलते हैं RBC per second. Okay, means bone marrow produce 2.4 million RBC per second in 1 second. Okay, the next, your smallest bone is in your ear, and which is longest? Yes, which is longest bone? So here we have studied that we have femur thigh bone is the longest bone. Okay, thigh bone is the longest bone, and smallest bone, your smallest bone is in your ear. Okay, so the smallest bone is in the body is only about 3 mm long, the steps or strap in the middle ear. Okay, this is only size of, this is only 3 mm. Okay, so this ear bone is the smallest bone. Okay, and femur bone is the longest bone in body. Next, you have one unconnected bone, means almost our bones are connected to each other, but we have one unconnected bone. So we will see which is this. The hyoid, a horseshoe shaped bone at the base of your tongue, is not joined to another bone, the only such solitary bone in your body. Okay, so the tongue bone is not connected to any other bone. This is the hyoid, a horseshoe shaped. So shape of this bone is horseshoe shape and hyoid bone. This is in our tongue. Okay, base of tongue, and is not joined to any other bone, the only such solitary bone. Okay, look at the next. Your bones are mostly non-living. Bones are mostly non-living. Bone consists largely of a matrix of collagen and hydroxyl apatite. Bone minerals इन्हें बोलते हैं. Okay, crystals as little as 5% is made of living cells. It means that our bones are mostly non-living. Only 5% is made up of living. So in our bones there is only 5% living cells and 95% are non-living things. Okay, so our bones are mostly non-living. Okay, bones are mostly non-living. So we have discussed about the bones. So first you can see our rib work hard. Okay, as our rib cage expand and contract, our chest expand and contract up to 10 million times each every year we breathe. Then bone are lights. It is the small proportion of his total weight, means 15% in man and 12% in women. Then we have strong leg, femur, thigh bone is the longest, strongest and heaviest bone. Length is 26% of our total weight. Then you lose bone as you grow up. जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं जो बोन्स हैं वो कम होती है. जैसे बर्थ के टाइम देर इज 300-350 बोन्स, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ अडल्टहुड इट बिकम 206 बोन. सो नॉर्मली इट इज सेड दैट देर इज 206 bone in human body. Okay, then hands and feet are the boniest part. It means almost more than half of the bones are in our hand and feet. In hand there is 27 bone and in feet there is 26. Okay, in each foot. Okay, then neck is like a giraffe. Okay, then your bones make blood, means bone marrow produce 2.4 million red RBC, red blood cells per second. And smallest bone is our ear bone. Okay, size of this is 3 mm. Middle of the ear it lies. Then we have one unconnected bone, that is hyoid. Shape of this is horseshoe shape and it is the base of our tongue. Okay, it do not connect with each other bone. It is the only bone that is not connected to any other bones. Then your bones are mostly non-living. Okay, our bones are mostly non-living. Only 5% is made up of living cells and 95% are non-living. Okay, so these are some facts about bone in human body. So students, watch the video and also read all these interesting facts from your book. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.